Generally, they're incredibly fast. So what he's got to do is he's got... What a beautiful flight that was. Thank you very much. Now, I don't know if you're aware, but Benny can't... underneath his eyes, okay? Having them underneath his eyes means that everything he's looking at, he's actually listening to, okay? He's got one ear higher than the other, and he's got one ear bigger than the other. He's got one ear that sticks out further than the other, and that gives him three-dimensional hearing. So he hasn't got to be able to see his prey. He can listen to it. He can pick out the exact spot that that mouse or that snake or that rat would be, just from the noise that it's making. So if you imagine it like we can hear if a sound is on the left or the right of us, because we've got an ear on the left or the right of us. Having his ears high and low, pushed upwards, and that's how the wind works, okay? The wind hits a solid object, that's pushed up in the same sort of fashion like a wave. And if she can find an updraft like that, what she'll do is just open her wings up and let the wind do all the hard work for her. She hasn't got to do anything then. If she finds a thermal's just like rising hot air, okay? It's like steam coming out of a kettle. And what she'll do is, again, she'll set those wings and she'll open them up. He's going to lift her up into the air. So here she comes. We're going to get the food up. Wonderful! Oh, she drops it. It actually means that she's camouflaged against the backdrop of the sky. So if the fish look up, they don't see a great big eagle shape above them, and they'll just stay up near the surface, because if they see a big eagle shape, they're going to dive down deeper. And you know a fish eagle, you know a fish-eating bird, because it's going to have some part of its body that's white. So you have a look at our bald eagles as well. Here she comes. She's working her way back over. Whoa, wonderful. There it is, and she's got it this time. That was the snatch. She's working her way around rope. Ideally, back to the T-bar is where we want her. That's superb. And that took a long, long time to get her to...